Exercise 10.3, very first question we have, find the equation of a line if its x-intercept is -3 and y-intercept is 1. I suggest you to draw the diagram first, always on x-axis -3 and on y-axis 0. So -3 and 0, 1. So the equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. A is what? X-intercept, that is given here -3, and b is what? Given here y-intercept is 1. So x minus 3y is equal to -3. So x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0 is your required equation of line. Next question is, you have to find the equation of line which passes through 5, 6 and makes intercepts on axes which are equal in magnitude, means both the intercepts are a and a but opposite in sign. So its intercepts are a minus a. That's why equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. See, this is the line which is passing through 5, 6. Intercepts are a and you can say minus a. Suppose 2 and -2, let us say, right? So intercepts are a and a. Now equation in intercept form we know x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So here we have the equation of line will be x upon a plus y upon minus a is equal to 1, as intercepts are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So instead of b it is minus a. Now line passes through 5, 6. Point is given. Line passes through 5, 6. So it is 5 upon a, 6 upon minus a is equal to 1. 5 and 6 satisfies the line. So in place of x and y we can put 5 and 6. So we got 5 minus 6, that is -1 upon a is equal to 1. A is equal to -1. And if a is equal to -1, that b will be equal to minus negative of that is 1. Equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. Then we have our required equation x upon a, y upon b, that is we got here a and b, actual intercepts. So a and minus a. So y upon b means, that is we got it 1 is equal to 1. So minus x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is your required equation. Just write it down.